y'all, my name is Tammy. Welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell twice so you'll be notified to all my new videos. Please give me a thumbs up. It will help my channel to grow. Also, please share and comment down below. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of a different video for you. A company got in touch with me, asked if I would do a collaboration video with them, and I said I would. So this is an unboxing video for them, and the company is called Highoh. So this is for ladies, young ladies. So if you're a gentleman, you probably don't really want to watch this video. Letting you know up front, this is more for the ladies. So anyway, we'll just go ahead and kind of get started. Well, before I do, let me go ahead and say, if you're not a subscriber and you are watching this, if you would please just click the subscribe button and the notification bell. If you'll click it twice, make sure that it says all notifications when you click it. That way you'll get notifications and of all my new videos when I post. Also, if you my videos a thumbs up when you watch them, please share my videos. And that is if you like my videos. If you don't, give them a thumbs down. If you do like them when you watch them, please share so other people will see them, and that way YouTube knows you like them and put some more out there for other people to see. They're in search. And leave me a comment down below. Tell me, hello, who you are, where you're from, because I'd love to know where you're watching this from, and what you think of the video. So now, with all that being said, we're going to get right on into this. So like I said, this company is called Highoh. Hey y'all, I had to jump in here and just say, I keep saying the name of this company wrong. It's pronounced Highoh, not Highoh. So I just wanted to clarify that. It's Highoh. And you can find them on Amazon. I'm going to put their link down below. I'll put their Amazon link and their website link down below. Their story, they have a very interesting story. It's two sisters and a dog. So they came from a poor family, is the story. Let me just open it. This package right here that they sent me. And they sent this to me just to open up and to review. So I already had cut it open before it came down in here. Okay, it's a period starter kit. That's what this is. It says soft, washable. I need my glasses and I don't have them up here. Let's see if I've got a pair up here somewhere. These are probably very dirty too. Actually, in my craft room, I haven't been in here in quite a while because I usually do everything downstairs now. In the process of changing things around. Okay. Let's see. Still can't see very good. Soft washable charcoal bamboo menstrual pad, bladder support, and incontinence pads. Reusable sanitational, health, and beauty. Okay. Excuse me. So here's the package. Open this up. And they sent, enjoy 10% off. I love Highoh. Enter code above to redeem discount for every period starter kit. Okay, so that's what they sent. And they sent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these pads. And, oh, no, wait a minute, I'm sorry. There's 6. Dropped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they are washable and reusable. They're very soft. Very soft. Very soft. I wasn't expecting that. And they have 2 little snaps, so you can snap them like around your panties to whichever size you need, like that. Okay, just like that. Yeah, these are really, really nice. And they're leak proof, supposed to hold a lot. So you can wear these a lot longer than a normal disposable pad. And of course, these are a lot healthier for you and for the environment. Now, I wish they had these back when I used to have my period. I don't have periods anymore. But you know what? I would have worn these. I had cancer, and I don't know how I got it, you know, but I have a suspicion from tampons and pads, because they say that you can get it from those. So I'm just wondering if it's not from the tampons and the pads, you know, because there's a lot of stuff in those. You don't know how that stuff's made. But I would have wore these. I sure would have. My daughters even looked into them, buying something like this, but they're very expensive. And this company sells these, and they're not that bad. These are a good price here. They also come with this cute little bag. It says Highoh on them. And it's a waterproof little bag. You can put your, you know, some pads in here, you know, like when you've got to go somewhere, travel, or like to work or shopping or whatever, you put your pads in there like that. Okay, put you a couple in there like that, and then if you need to change, you can change, and then when you change them, all you do doing this right. Not sure if I'm doing it right or not. Let's see. I have it rolled up too many times. Let's see. There we go. You just roll it like that. There you go. roll it up like that. Then you can put it in the bag. Even with the clean ones, and take it home. Look, it's even got a little snap right here too. A little bag. So that's cute. That's a really nice little invention they came up with. And nothing comes out of this. I mean, that won't leak out or nothing. And then you can take them home and clean them. And you can wrap it up like that even at home. Put it in a little, you can keep it in that bag until you wash them, however you want to do it. And then when you wash them, you just open them up. And then you can put them in your washer. Now, what I would do is before just throwing them in the washer, because, I mean, that's kind of a small load. And what I would do, I would rinse them out maybe in a little dish pan or something in your sink first to get all the blood and stuff out with a little detergent, and kind of soak them in that first to get everything out, and then throw them all in the washer, maybe with your regular laundry. Do it that way. That's what I would do if I was wearing them. Let's just see how much water fluid they hold. Water. I'm gonna get some water and let's see how much fluid they hold. But these feel really, really nice. I asked my daughter if next time she had her cycle, if she wanted to give them a try, and she said she would. So, and then she'd tell me how, and then I'm gonna come back with another like second video and let you guys know how she liked them and how they felt and everything, how they feel. And I may even just try one on and wear it, just see how it feels, just so I can see just what it feels like. And I'll give you my opinion on that in just a second video. So let me go get something and we're gonna see how much this pad really holds. Okay, here we go. So I've got one of these pads. We'll put it in this bucket here. And I've got like about a cup of water. And we're just gonna open it up. And I want to pour slowly so I don't get any in the bucket, because I want to see if it leaks. So I've got about almost half the cup in there now. And there's no leakage yet. It really absorbs. See how much this holds. And that's half a cup. Oh, okay, now that was my fault because I tilted it. That's not from the pad. I poured that in the bucket. That's really holding. Okay, now that's really soppy. Okay, so you can see just how, so that's over half a cup there that I got to where it started just really filling up. So, I mean, that's a lot. I don't think anybody will bleed over half a cup in a pad like that. I mean, look at all that. That really had a lot of water. That's amazing. And these are stitched very well. And like I said, they're so soft. So would I recommend these? Definitely. I sure would. I definitely would. Like I said, I wish this product was out when I was on my period still, especially towards my end of my cycle, because I was having heavy cramping and heavy cycles. Yeah, I was wearing pads. Oh, I really could have used these. So I definitely recommend them. I think they're great. I love the product. Love the bags. I'm gonna have my daughter try these out. So when she starts her cycle, see what she thinks. And she's not a pad user, so she's a tampon girl. So we'll see what she thinks of them. She never has liked pads. So I'm gonna see what she thinks of them, because she was talking about she wanted to see about getting some, because she knows that the tampons are not good for her body, and she was worried about that. So we'll see if she likes them, and I'll get back to you on that. But these are very soft. I recommend them. I definitely do. Check them out. I'll put the links down below if you're interested, or at least check them out and see if you might be interested. Check their story out. They have a very interesting story, how they started their company. I think they did a wonderful job. I think they're remarkable. So remember, all these links will be listed down below. Thumbs up for this video. Share, comment, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and have a blessed day.